Selecting the right components is essential for a successful PC build. Start with the CPU, the brain of your system. Aim for a balance between performance and cost. Next, choose a motherboard compatible with your CPU and rich in features. For RAM, opt for at least 16 gigabytes, ensuring speed and reliability. Storage is vital. Consider SSDs for speed and HDDs for capacity. Don't skimp on the power supply. A high-quality unit ensures stability and longevity. Finally, select a case that provides good airflow and fits your aesthetic. Quality components lead to a better experience, whether gaming or creating. Research and choose wisely for optimal performance.